Hi, I'm Mike, builder specialist for Logan Homes in Hampton Lake, a beautiful award-winning community in the heart of Bluffton, South Carolina. Hampton Lake offers a variety of award-winning amenities, including multiple resort-style pools, state-of-the-art fitness and wellness centers, tennis and pickleball, the lake lifestyle with boating, kayaking, fishing, and camping, miles of leisure trails, and the new Crystal Lake amenity, crystal clear swimming lake with paddle boarding and is surrounded by a sandy beach. The newest opportunity coming to Hampton Lake is a limited offering from our Towns collection. This enclave of townhomes will feature two of our designs, the Seagrass and the Tidewater. The homes will range from 1,800 to 2,200 square feet, offer an optional bonus room above the garage. These plans will feature an open concept design. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on the first floor, along with your 2-car garage and screened porch. This will offer a lock and leave lifestyle, and we're very excited to offer these plans for the first time in South Carolina. We feel like Hampton Lake is the ideal setting for this new offering. You can personalize your new home in our Low Country Design Studio to make sure that it fits your lifestyle. To learn more about move-in ready opportunities, our plans, and more, please visit us at loganhomes.com.